Hello 3S family, this is Chris at 3SX Performance. We're going to be talking about these clips. Now, I did tell everybody we finally get a video of it, so here they are. And here would be the factory one. So we all know these damn plastic ones break all the time, so we made these ones out of aluminum. Now I'm going to try my best to at least get an angle to quickly demonstrate how you put these in. We did tightly tolerance these in here pretty stiff, just so they're just like factory. You can see for yourselves right there, practically identical. So basically we have already here, I'm trying to show it off a little bit, Active Aero wing. So let's walk over here. So pretty much you're going to just be taking off 3 bolts here and 2 here and 2 here, and your whole wing for your Active Aero should just pop right off the trunk. And then we'll migrate over. So then you're going to remove screw from here, remove this cover cap, and there should be one hidden under here as well. Same thing for the other side. So we're gonna talk about this here. This rod is a little bent, just a little FYI, so it might be a little easier for me than others. But this is just for an example. So once you got the cap off, of course you're going to see this whole mechanism here, of course the 2 holes, and then in this little cubby here, you're going to see either a broken one or you're going to see one of these in there. So there is a hole, let's see if I can show you, right here at the end of the cable. That's where the skinny piece of the pin would sit into. So you're going to have to align it right, like straight like this. And then you're going to want to fish this pin in here at the tip. Just get that in there. Then it just slides in. So just like that. You see on this end that the pin is sitting already in the hole. So the easiest to get this in there is just make sure you get the whole rod loose, being of course careful not to bend it, and push back on the coupler here. Push it against the plastic under this end is caved in here. So gonna push it against it, align there's a little C cup right here, and that's where this pin on this side will sit into. So you're gonna wanna line it up, push forward, and then you're gonna wanna be careful with the rod here and push down, and it should sit flush right here, just like so. Then you can adjust it, pretty much put all the hardware back in. You can barely see it, but for mine, the pin is right there. It's already sitting in that little C-shaped cup. I'll take it out here just so I can show you where it is. So we'll take it out here. This falls out because it loses tension. And we'll see here. Let's take that here. Let's see, perfect demonstration. There you go. That's where it sits into. So that's a simple demonstration how this would go in here. So if you have any questions, just feel free to comment below and let us know what you think about these. But we think these are going to be very helpful to people who want to keep their Active Aero. So we'll have these on sale starting Friday this week. Thank you very much, Bible, and have a nice day.